Let's make this popular Filipino eggplant dish with savory and tangy flavors. There's a lot of ways to make it, like grilling the eggplant first or adding meat to the dish. But today I'm going to share the simple version, which starts with slicing 2 eggplants. For this dish, I like to slice the eggplants this way. I just like the way it looks, but feel free to slice it according to your preferences. In a pan, heat the cooking oil over medium heat. Add half a cup sliced shallots or onions. Sauté until the onions turn translucent and the garlic becomes fragrant. Add the eggplant slices to the pan and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften. Pour in the soy sauce and add minced garlic. If you are using fresh garlic, sauté at the beginning with the shallots. Season with black ground pepper. Stir everything together. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and cover the pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until the eggplants are tender and have absorbed the flavors of the sauce. And there you have it, this eggplant dish is ready to be served. You can transfer it to a serving dish and garnish it with freshly chopped green onions and sesame seeds for a pop of color and added freshness. This version is perfect as a side dish or even as a main course when paired with steamed rice. It's savory, tangy, and packed with flavors that will surely satisfy your cravings. Hungry for more? Click and check out my other tasty videos below. Thank you for watching and share your thoughts on this one.